And the question was, obviously we've got a picture of where your business was this time last year, but I mean, how does it compare to, how it is now? And then what would you say has been the biggest sort of breakthrough for you?
Greatest what, Drew? I'm sorry.
Breakthrough.
Oh, the biggest breakthrough. So I've written down, I'm going to try to answer that question in two ways. One is through some of the metrics. I'm a big fan of keeping metrics, and I'm constantly on the prowl for metrics that I'm missing. But in the last 12 months, these were some. I apologize for boring you all with some very specific numbers, but we programmed the database to be able to do this. And these are in no particular order. We've now got 98 all-time YouTube videos up with almost 2,000 minutes of watch time and 1,200 total views. 34 blog posts published this year. Almost 7,000 people, unique visitors, went to our website. We published a new ebook, had 48 weeks of weekly email content created, which continues to be sent to basically our cold list of about 20,000 people. 556 10 before 10 connects, 81 triage calls, 35 sales calls, 18 proposals, and 108 first-time meetings booked for this year. And that resulted in, and I'm gonna hate to confess this, but we're just shy of what I had hoped we would be at this year. But nonetheless, it was a 40% increase over 2020 in terms of revenues. So, I finally feel like we're getting to the point where that omni-channel approach and positioning within the market. When I first started this program, one of the things I remember Terry saying to me was,
"The sound's gone good."
What did my sound go out?
I can hear you. Oh, is it? It might be me. Apologies.
Okay. One of the things that Terry just mentioned to wrap up briefly is, do people know about you more or less in your market? How many people out of your sector really truly know who you are? And I thought to myself, and I really had to answer that question, I was like, not nearly enough. And so a lot of the last year to two has been spent really getting the word out. And I think that's culminated in what I think is going to be a pretty amazing quarter heading into the first quarter of 2022.